Hi, everybody. It's Maggie, your fairy godmother of trading. If you recall, 2 weeks ago, I predicted last week would be a very calm market week, but I did add a caveat at the end of that prediction. I said if tariffs were imposed, expect to see some chaos. And that's exactly what happened. Trump imposed tariffs late Friday, uh, week before last. And then he used it as a bargaining chip. Now, I understand why. He's trying to draw Mexico and Canada into being our partners to help control border and drug crossings. It worked. They capitulated. And so then the market started smoothing out a little bit. But notice on the attached slide you're seeing that the market is now, let's see, going down in a sideways diagonal where the highs are getting lower on each pass and the lows are getting lower on each pass. And I think it's going to break out of that looking at next week. I expect it to break out of that and continue on up. However, we do have two major announcements next week from the economic front. One is the CPI that reports on Wednesday. Now that's important. It's the Consumer Price Index. It measures prices on everything except food and energy products. And it says how we're doing. Are we getting more expensive or less expensive? And then on Thursday, the PPI reports, which is the Producer's Price Index. And that is where manufacturers are costing out their raw materials and the goods and services that they're manufacturing. So both of those, if they are good reports and they show a slight lower, will be considered bullish in the market. If they're not and prices are still going up, that's bearish in the marketplace. So we've just got to wait to see what they are. Well, among all of this, how am I doing? I didn't trade much last week, so nothing great to report. The trades I did put on went well, and my gain for the week was 1.1%. Not bad considering. I wish it had been better. Um, Looking at next week, because I think we're starting to go into a better market, more gradual up, I am going to talk about the trade that has done the best in that kind of market for me. And those are long, or rather credit diagonals. And so that's what we're going to be talking about next week's Thursday's webinar. I hope you join us. In the meantime, your fairy godmother wishes you all the best in your trading life. And thank you so much.